Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to fix internet connection problems on our laptop. So if your Wi-Fi is not working or you can't get online, you can follow up the steps in order to fix it. The first thing is you can restart your network, go to your Wi-Fi network and your laptop, and sometimes a simple reboot should also help. You can go to this Windows option and you can restart your computer, or you can try booting as well and see if that works for you. Apart from that, on the network section, go to network here. And from there, just go ahead and check airplane mode and Wi-Fi. So make sure the airplane mode is turned off. If this option is turned on right here, you can just go ahead and turn it off by clicking on it again. And that should also help you with the issue. Another thing you can do is you can forget and reconnect. Go to settings for that, hit Windows plus I, and go to network and internet from your left hand sidebar and open up your network. After that, select your Wi-Fi and select up your network here. And you can just scroll down and look out for forget option. If not, from here, you can just go ahead and forget it. So go ahead and right click on it or open it up. And from here, look out for forget option. And then go ahead and remove your Wi-Fi network and reconnect it again by entering the password again. Otherwise, you can run the troubleshooter. You can hit Windows plus I and open up your settings again on your device. From there, go over and look out for troubleshoot. Troubleshoot settings, open it up on your screen. And once you find troubleshooter, go to other troubleshooter. And from there, go to network and internet and look out for this run option and run the troubleshooter for this. And this can fix many issues automatically. Apart from that, you can reset the network settings. For that, go ahead and hit CMD. Go ahead and type in CMD and open up your command, run it as administrator. Your command prompt. Once you run it as administrator, you can type in this command. So just go ahead and click yes, type in ipconfig / release. Hit enter. Similarly, you can type in ipconfig / renew and config space / renew. Hit enter. And after that is done, you can type in flush DNS, which is ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter, and that should probably resolve your network issues and reset your network as well. After that is done, you can restart your laptop, go to start, or you can press your shortcut key for that. And that should do it, and that's it. One of the steps should fix your internet problem. So if this video worked, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.